Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about application of derivative. So now I want to show you how to answer. Now we have a circle and now we need to create about semicircle because on the question they want to find the largest area of the rectangle inscribed inside the circle in here. Just like this. And we know that the radius is about number 4. So now I want to show you how to answer. So let's say we want to find one area of this rectangle in here. So I will put this one that is about 8b diagonal in here. That should be equals to number 4 because that is about the radius of the circle. Now we use about the formula in here. That is about Pythagorean theorem. So I will put about a square plus b square equals to number 4 square. So in this situation, we want to find one area of this one. Later that we multiply by number 2 because we have another area in here. So the area of this one, that should be about 8 multiplied by b. Now we put number 2 cone here. And this is the area of the rectangle. Now we have this one. So I will put a square go to the right. And this one 4 square we have 16. Now we put the square root for the both sides. And that is about b equals to the square root of 16 minus a square. So because we want to select about the positive number, because a and b they are the side of the rectangle, that's why they should be about the positive number. So we put b gone here. Now I will put about f of 8 equals to this one. Now we need to do first the derivative of this one. And we do first the derivative of a, we have number 1. So we do first the derivative of this one. And we have like this. So number 2 and number 2 we cancel. Now we can do about common denominator. And we have like this. So this one we simplify and we have 32 minus 4a squared over the square root of 16 minus a squared. So we want to put this one equals to number 0. So that is only this one in here. So I will put this one equals to number 0. So we calculate about a squared equals to number 8. Now we put the square root for the both sides. And this one we have number 2 with the square root of number 2. After we calculate about this one, we can put back to this one in here. So we can find the maximum area of the rectangle inscribed in a semicircle in here. So we have the final answer. And that is about number 16. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.